Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode of Flavors of Goa. Today we are diving deep into the heart of Goan cuisine where the flavors are bold, the spices are aromatic, and the seafood is absolutely fresh. Join me as I step into the charming vintage restaurant in Goa where history, heritage, and delicious food come together, offering the most uniquely styled cocktails and mocktails. Like here is the letterbox that is served in a literal letterbox, the vintage cupboard cocktail which is served in a cupboard, and their grapefruit and ginger margarita. And the fresh seafood here was really amazing. You have to give this restaurant a try if you visit Goa. I visited it with my friends and we absolutely loved the ambience and the food, of course. And not forgetting their famous Jevnacho pantlo. This is a huge basket serving all the famous Goan traditional dishes, and one basket is sufficient for 2 people at a time. We enjoyed the food and then I got back home, rested for the evening, and for dinner we had the special beef cutlet pav prepared by my mother-in-law. Please leave your comments down below if you want the recipe of the beef cutlet pav. Next day for lunch, we decided to prepare crab shack. So here is my mother-in-law's recipe for you all. Wash, clean and season the crabs with some salt and set aside. For the curry base, we need 1 whole grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of coriander seed, 1 tamarind ball, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 1 onion slice, and around 12 to 15 of red button chilies. Please adjust the spice level depending on your preference. Grind all of the ingredients with sufficient water to form a smooth fine paste. To prepare the curry, fry 2 chopped onions until golden brown and add the marinated crabs. Add a splash of water, mix well and cover to cook on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes until the crabs change color. Once it attains this nice orange color, add the grounded curry base and mix well. Add 1 Maggi cube for extra flavoring. Adjust the consistency with some water, season with salt and add half teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor. Mix everything well and allow to cook for another 10 to 12 minutes until the crabs are well done. Delicious and my personal favorite crab curry is ready to be served. This was the following day and it was the feast of Our Lady of Salvation, and no feast in Goa is complete without some Goan khaje. Comment down and let me know which one is your favorite. This is my mother-in-law who loves and enjoys cooking, and this is her special feast menu for the day. So we have pulao, pork vindaloo, cauliflower kaldin, which is her signature dish and she makes it really amazing, chicken xacuti, beef curry, some deliciously sweet sannas, every Goan's favorite, and some healthy salad. The whole family had a wonderful time together. We enjoyed the food, the ambience and the vibes of the feast day. Do comment down and let me know which was your favorite part of this video, and don't forget to share my videos with your family and friends. If you felt connected and enjoyed watching this entire vlog, then do give this video a like, comment down your views and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified of every upcoming videos that I share. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.